Fairly widespread distribution of rainfall is very likely to continue over Goa for 5 days. With a change in location of circulation over East Central Arabian Sea, heavy rainfall at isolated places over North and South Goa is very likely on 2nd and 3rd June. The highest maximum temperature of 33.0 degrees Celsius was recorded at Mormugao.
There is a warning for thunderstorms accompanied by lightning at isolated places over Goa up to 3rd June. Light to moderate rainfall also occurred at many places over the state. There was no large change in maximum temperature over North Goa and South Goa.
In the past 24 hours ending at 8:30 am of 1st June, there were fairly widespread rainfall distribution reported from Goa. That means more than 50%, 50 to 75% of stations, rainfall reporting stations recorded rainfall in the past 24 hours. Highest rainfall was reported from Pernem, which was 21 mm, that is 2 centimeters. So as on today, 1st of June, the significant weather system that can affect the weather over Goa is circulation over East Central Arabian Sea at a height of around 3.1 to 4.5 kilometers from mean sea level. So this system is impacting the weather over Goa, and this is expected to move slightly northward on tomorrow and after tomorrow. So the rainfall activity over Goa is going to increase slightly. Now another feature of rainfall in these early days of June or the last weeks of May generally is that the rain will be accompanied with lightning and thunder. So this is how the forecast goes for the 5 days starting from 1st of June, that is today. We are expecting fairly widespread distribution of rainfall to continue. Now regarding warning, there is weather warning of lightning on 3 days, that is 1st, 2nd and 3rd June, and like it was mentioned, because of the movement of system circulation over East Central Arabian Sea, rainfall activity will slightly increase tomorrow and day after tomorrow, and isolated places are likely to receive heavy rainfall over both the districts of Goa. 1 or 2 stations may receive heavy rainfall which is exceeding 6 centimeters in 24 hours. So that is for coming 2 days. And if we talk about fishermen warning, there are warnings for the region of East Central Arabian Sea on 1st June, and then there are strong winds over southwest and west central Arabian Sea and over Comorin area, and along and off the coast of Kerala as well. So apart from East Central Arabian Sea, all other warnings persist up to 3rd June and 5th June. So this is the area that is under warning for now. We can see this is the Central Arabian Sea area where there is warning for 1st of June. Then West Central and Southwest Arabian Sea, that area has warning for all the 5 days, and Lakshadweep area and off the coast of Kerala there is warning for 3 days starting from 1st of June. So fishermen are requested not to venture into these areas. Now regarding the onset of monsoon over Kerala, monsoon is expected to have its onset over Kerala coast by 3rd of June. The conditions are indicating that the strengthening of southwesterly winds are there over the region, and hence monsoon onset over Kerala is likely to take place around 3rd June 2021. Now usually it takes around 4 to 5 days for monsoon to reach Goa after its onset over Kerala, but it always depends on the existing weather systems, existing scenarios on which the monsoon progression is taking place. If the conditions favoring monsoon are there, then monsoon currents may reach even within 4 to 5 days after its onset over Kerala. But if the conditions are not favoring, like the wind speed, cross-equatorial wind flow, cloud formation, depth and speed of westerly winds, if all these criteria are not matching after its onset, then there could be a delay. Otherwise, the normal onset date of monsoon over Kerala is 1st June, and normal arrival date of monsoon over Goa is 5th June.
Goa 365 Bureau with inputs from IMD.